All right, we're looking at 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's wait for YouTube to take us live. Where is that screen? There we are. You are at stocktrade.tips on YouTube. We're at Wall Street Sizing Up. You have reached the YOLO Hour for September 29th, where we are, when you join, we'll be glad that you're here. Again, you can and will lose money at this. This is Vegas. We don't do any due diligence. We don't do any research. We don't even look hardly at the stock. We're just trying to catch some FOMO. You can and will lose money. Like I said, most of the time we lose money. Sometimes we do make some money, but we're just doing it for beer and pizza money. It's not financial advice. Let me just say that from the start. So as more people join, we all know that. Most of the guys that will join us have played here before. It is, for the lack of a better word, we are transitioning from, let's just call it growth stocks to value stocks. Clearly the Dow's up. NASDAQ is really just trading sideways. And we got the S&P a little bit up, trading sideways. It's definitely a mixed day in the markets. So we're looking good. I'll talk about some price targets today. I'll talk about some Bitcoin, some Atom, some Algo, some AVAX. I'll talk about a few stocks that we're liking, and then we'll go from there. So with that being said, when they do join, the only things I trade on Robinhood is my options, and we use Webull, and we are in the paper trade mode, just so everybody knows and everybody's up to date on that. All right, that being said, let's hit it. Let's go. Let's chase some rockets. All right, USO is, so that is the crude, that's U.S. crude oil futures. It is up today. AXDX, which we called that last night, is up 7%. So that's nice to start off with. We also called LPTX up 6%. You'll see me talk more about that as well, too. So with that being said, we're moving down here, chasing rockets. BROS, that is the Brothers Coffee, I believe, out of Portland or Seattle, trending down. AVNS is green. Not seeing any rockets. Look at ELVT grinding hard right now. Great. We get SPSC. Looks like it could be a rocket. We're jumping on SPSC. SPSC is our first one today. SPSC. We're gonna go with. We're gonna buy. We're gonna buy $10 worth or 10 shares. Excuse me. And we'll see if we can rocket that and see if we can profit off of that from the get-go. Now, typically we see the rockets at 2 o'clock. We see them at 2:30, and we see them with 10 minutes left to go in the session. Let's get back down here and see if we see any more rockets. Again, that was SPSC. You can see it there, how we spotted the rocket pretty quickly. As we move down here, Apple looks like it's having a good day. Very mixed day. Looks like there is a little bit of a sell-off going on. As we started strong, it looks like a lot of stocks are headed down. App is acting the opposite way. As we continue to move through here, STIM is grinding up. It's at 4% today. Nice to see the grinders. CEI was having a hell of a day. It got to 34%. It is now down to 23. It has a massive sell-off. Now, one of the things they did here, though, is Wall Street, or I believe it's on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ had to halt the stock because it had dropped 15% in less than 30 minutes. In fact, it dropped it like less than 5 minutes, so they had to halt the stock. Task directionally sideways right now, up 7%, protecting profits. SQBGQ, forget what that stock is. Clearly it is a OTC, I believe, up 30% and protecting profits. I believe that was bought. That's why it looks like that. There is not a lot of volume, as you can tell. CRMT was down, now it's positive and grinding up. We'll continue to watch that one. BYSE. Let's see if we can find some more. RMBL grinding sideways, kind of down. Look at GTS. Has it cleared the tower? It's got to clear the tower here of 35.35. It is about to clear. We'll jump on GTS. Most of the time, you'll see a lot of these that have just gone positive. They will not clear the tower. We'll buy 10 shares of that. Boom. We are up on SPSC. Barely, yep, and just what we thought it would do. 9 times out of 10, it's not going to clear this intraday high or this, or what we would call clear the tower. It did not clear. It got turned back. Now, will it retest that? We will see. It's not pulling back yet, but it could. Let me run through really quickly so we can get down here to the bottom. As you all know, we have over 400 stocks that we look at, and we go hard in the YOLO hour. So here we go. GTS looks like, again, it has not done the pivot and the pullback yet, but it is directionally sideways. It did try to rocket. We'll continue to stay with it and hope that it rockets up. RGC up 17% and protecting the profits, going directionally sideways as well. Kilter has sold off. KLTR has sold off. Live, it does not have the volume. It's only got 19.9 in average volume. It's not going to have the volume today, even though it looks like a rocket. It would have to have a lot more volume today to be a rocket. So let me get back down to it. FSSK grinding up. We'd love to see it. A lot of red out there in the growth stocks. We are seeing that. BNTX started strong, is now down to about 1% up. Here's one that's grinding hard. NM is grinding hard. You could make some money there if you're going to follow the grinders, right? As we continue to move through here, we're looking at STEP's grinding up. It's just gone positive, up 2% now. We are looking live as my phone goes. NURO did a rocket before the YOLO hour and now is directionally sideways. We'll continue to follow it, but it did at 1 o'clock my time, 2 o'clock Eastern time. Within 30 minutes, it went up 6%. 6% in 30 minutes for Neuro, but now it's directionally sideways. Just so you guys know, we have 2 positions as you continue to join. We're in GTS and SPSC. Let me look at the SPSC on the 3-minute. Here, it did rocket. It's doing a little bit of a pullback. I'm down $2 already. Hate to see that as we start it. Let me start down here. I just saw something going straight up. What I just missed. That's live again. All right, pulling down fast here, going through the 400 stocks we have. Looking for. The rule is typically if they're going to rocket, they've got to be positive. Number one. Number two is they got to clear the tower. They got to clear the intraday high for it to rocket, right? And even then, at both those places, 9 times out of 10, it will get turned back. But once we find a rocket, you can now say, here's one. PALI is turning up. It's got to clear the intraday high. It's sitting right on it. It's sitting right on it right now. Wonder what we do. I'm going to go ahead and take this. Yeah, there it goes. PALI. It's already up big. People want a little bit more of that stock today. We'll jump on that. I bet that gets turned back after about 2 or 3%, and we'll take our profits then. We'll continue to look at that. Got to move through here quickly now as we are trying to find any rockets. We've got 2 positions. In fact, one of those positions, am I still losing money? I'm down at SP. Is it still? Yeah, it's got a green candle. I'm guessing the bulls there are back in control. Hopefully, we'll continue to move down here, down the stack, down the growth stack is what I like to call it. What's up, PM UFAB? We're on it. Unique fabricating rocket, very good, very very nice. UFAB. Let's rock and roll. It is on the American Exchange. Boom. Let's go. Nice green morning wood. Love that, PM. Good call there. I am down in SPS still at 220. I'm down $2 total. Good call. Let's hope this clears the tower. Has it been halted? Son of a gun, PM. It's been halted. So so if you are following along at home, UFAB has been halted. Now and typically in halts, it will fall when it reopens back. So understand what's about to happen. CEI was halted today as well, but it was falling. Fell from 34 to about 22 within like 5 minutes. So it was halted very, very quickly, which is what should happen. Now on the way up, you shouldn't have to halt a stock for going parabolic, crazy. I don't know why the rules are set like that, but I don't make the rules. I just play the game, and you can't get mad at other people who are winning when they're playing by the rules, right? It's these Fed chairs and these congressmen who are doing these trades and options like Pelosi, you know, that they know what's the OSAT looking big. It looks like it's turned back a little bit. We had OSAT on Monday as well. We just missed that rocket. That rocket actually started about 150. That's why I kind of got to move a little bit faster through here. Let me get to the bottom of these stocks. When you go through 400 stocks, it's tough to do that, as we all know. Continuing to pull down, going down. Again, most of these are micro, small, and mid-cap stocks. OSAT looks like it may have turned up now. Damn it, it still hadn't. All right, let me roll through it quickly. Quickly is the name of the game here, because I haven't got to the bottom yet, and I want to see if we are missing a rocket. Again, live, we just passed, does not have the volume to really move, so we're not going to put that one on the P&L today. And we will, PALI, we just jumped on. If you see, PM, if you see anything pulling back, let me know. We're in SPSC as well. We are seeing some big sell-offs, directionally down stocks. SNCR could clear the tower here real quick. This thing could be a rocket. And I'm going to jump on the SNCR. SNCR, we're jumping on that. I may have to jump out of, it's going to buy, I may go 50 there because that one's going to clear. SPSC is direct, just completely effed me. Down 9 already because of one bad stock that couldn't continue to rocket up. The morning wood fell quickly there. It was parabolic, and then it just did the pivot and the pullback. So here we go. We're continuing to roll through stocks here. See if we can find any rockets. Again, you can and will lose money. This is not financial advice. Hey, by the way, what's up, James Hill? Good to see you. Hey, I just want to let you guys know we are live on TikTok as well. I just wanted to try it out. I told you guys I was going to do it yesterday, and why not? If 5 people watch it, great. If 2 people watch it, great. If nobody watches it, great. Look at Fammy, still grinding, guys. You got to love the grind here. Now, I had seen this, heard some whispers, but it went negative and I lost touch with it. But it's grinded up 23%. Congratulations. If you're a bull in FAMI, that's phenomenal. 23% in a true penny stock. I mean, what is that? 90 cents now? So, did I miss one? GTS. That's the one that we're in now. And it's pulling back. That's what I wanted to see. Pally's pulling back. GTS is actually making me money right now. Let me look and see what it's doing on the 3-minute. Give me the 2-minute. And it doesn't have enough volume is what the problem is. Bears may be in control of that one. I'm going to hold on to that one just a little bit longer as we continue to roll through here. That's a triple S management. You got to love that name. Triple S. Like the triple threat, I guess, but I'm not sure what the S stands for, right? Super selective, whatever. Point is that look at XEC grinding up 5%, continue to grind. HUSA, which we saw yesterday, rocket for a little while, is up 13% today. That was one of of the about 10 rockets we saw yesterday. I did see 3 that were up big this morning. We're at the end of, or at the bottom of the growth stocks. As you know, we found these stocks through insiders, guys on YouTube. I'm going to explain to the people who are on the TikTok that these stocks are basically, look at ALDX grinding up 3%. These stocks are basically insider trades, or they were meme stocks or Reddit stocks, or there are stocks that went just crazy. YOLO Hour, we found them before. That's where we get these stocks at. There's about 410 of them in total that we check, and that's why we scroll quickly. XEC still grinding. Seen a lot of red on the screen today. It looks like there's a big transference. Nice. PM, UFAB. Let me look. Let me be a part of this. You must have gotten it way before me, because I'm down 45 cents, and on Pally, I am down 48 cents, and that is looking bad. Actually, I need to get out of that position. We're done. Now, I'm going to keep UFAB because it does have It's on the 3 minute. Let me go to the 2 minute. Looks like the bears are in control. I got a red candle, but it looks like it's got a long wick on the bottom. Looks like it's going back up. So we'll continue to stick with that one as we usually do. OSAT, I want to take it, but it is sideways now. It has not done the full pullback. Look at DPW. We've seen them before. They're one of our favorites on the channel. If you're here from the channel, you know the boys like DPW. That is Milt. That's a Milt alt. Milt alt. That dude buys almost 3 times a week his own stock. I'm trying to think of the other stock that he's tied to as well. DPW. So we now have 4. Look at KAVL. Got turned down. Got turned down at the tower at the intraday high. We see it all the time. Nothing new there, guys. James, it's funny. YouTube, just like, do you want to show this? Yeah, I want to show. Holy shit, there's nothing wrong with that DLTR. Did I miss DLTR? Oh yeah, it's up 15%. So I saw this on Bloomberg. So you know why it's up, James? Let me give you the full Bloomberg rundown in a sentence. Because now they're not just offering $1 items for sale. They're going to go up to $5. That's right. Inflation's taking over. So it's going to be, of course, their stupid jokes where it's going to be called $5 tree. Well, there you go. KAVL here we go. KAVL, we'll take it again. Let's go. KAVL will take you as well. Buying a lot. That one looks like it could be a heavy trade. So let me look and see here what I've got. I need to watch KAVL when it comes on. What is SNCR? Bears are in control there, jumping out of that one. Again, paper trading because my wash sell rules. DPW's only down 5%. Looks like the bulls are in control there still. Let's continue to move, but look at KAVL. Hopefully, and it's cleared the tower for sure. So looking good there. Yeah, that's why DLTR Dollar Tree. And that's a pretty big stock. I don't know what the market cap is, but I'm pretty sure that's a mid-cap stock, right? So that may be one of those stocks that could be in 5 years be a 5-banger, maybe even a 10-bagger, right? Where you find those big stocks that they always come out of the mid caps, right? But you can do a 5 to 10x. It might be. And look at our RGC. We had them yesterday, guys. RGC, we're going to go after them too. RGC, that's a morning wood. If I ever saw one, I think we're behind on that one though. So 10 shares of that one. I'm looking green. I'm still down 8 because I had to cut one that went down 9. Let me see. RGC. What's going on with RGC? It looks like the bulls are in control of RGC, but I'm down 180. I must have got a lot of slippage there. KAVL. Bulls are in control, but I got some slippage coming out of that one. Need to watch that one. So here we go again with RGC from yesterday, and that thing was I think it did pretty well for us yesterday. I got to turn the mic, guys. This is my mic's all getting messed up here, getting all effed up, as we're in YOLO hour. That's what I thought. Big move for a big stock. Yep. But you know what? It's sitting there. It's protecting profits, right? Which you don't see for large carrier stocks like that. Usually they pump and sell off. Now, not that it won't sell off in YOLO hour, but that could be possible. By the way, I was having some random thoughts today. Cannabis. How does cannabis, marijuana stocks, have an ETF, but yet they're unbankable in U.S. banks, right? Unbankable. Yet crypto is bankable in the U.S., but has not approved an ETF for Bitcoin or any kind of crypto at all. You know what? That's some bullshit right there. Our RMBL, rumble on. No, sir. Got turned back at the tower and it's intraday high. Let me run through real quick, guys, and see if we can find something else. GTS, continue to follow that. It looks like that's going to roll over and could just go directly sideways. We'll stick it out there because it's not looking like we're going to have a lot. RGC we just took live is still sticking straight up, but it does not have the volume. Again, staying away from that one. Look at the NM is still grinding. AMEH, a big meme stock, has now gone positive or gone back positive and is grinding up as well. APRE we saw. This is one we saw yesterday again. Now it's done the pull. It's in the pivot and the pullback for sure. APRE will continue to keep an eye on it. Let me roll through here really quickly to get down to the lower level stocks here. Like I like to say, get down the cap table. Did you guys see the man who trapped the alligator in the trash can? YouTube or on Twitter. It is badass. Look at DPW just grinding up. It is fully erect. Yeah, he took literally like a recycled trash can and trapped, and it wasn't a small gator. It wasn't like a 15-foot one, but it's a good 8, maybe even 9-foot gator, and he got him in the damn trash can. It's awesome. If you hadn't, I did a search on Twitter for alligator, and that's how I found it. Came right up. It's awesome. So if you missed that, you need to look that up. FAMI is now climbing, grinding hard. Still grinding. ALDX, one of our favorites here. That was a call for ours for a long time. Grinding up. Love to see that one. Nintendo is so. If you didn't know, this is Nintendo. It's got a really weird, strange ticker, NTDOY. And the only reason I know that is because that's a Kathy Wood special. And yeah, that's how I got to know that ticker. All right, we're at the bottom here. All right, let's move back up. RGC. I think we're in our RGC now. We are. Yes, and that's been a great stock for us. Bulls are in control there. I may be taking profits there pretty damn soon. KAVL is, I'm losing money, and I cannot tell on the 3-minute or the 2-minute if I'm in control or not. What's a 5-minute say? 5-minute doesn't even have it. Gosh dang it. I may have to jump out of KVL because I want to protect DPW is holding strong. Stay with that one. I need RGC to continue up. So continue to PM watch that RGC for me because I need that one to get back to even. Even here as we start, we're only 20 minutes into the session. CERS was it just went negative. It looks like it's trying to grind and trying to get past into positive territory. Silver, what is that? Silver Bank is grinding hard, but it's going sideways now, 5% up. They bank crypto firms hard there. That's Silvergate Bank, if you did not know. FAMI, love to see it. As we go back up here, we're going the opposite way. Ramp has just gone positive, looks to be grinding hard. RAMP, been a favorite of the channel for a long time because we see them about once a week do some kind of nonsense. DPW, I just don't know if DPW has the volume. We got in at 2.8. It's at 2.9 now, so it's not really moving real fast. CERE is now grinded up and gone positive. That may be a good one to keep overnight. I'd say a good one is PRTS. That is clearly car parts, and if it clears the tower, it's been turned back, but it's got to clear this tower first, which it got turned back there, and it really needs to clear pre-market as well. We'll see. All right, we're going to start from the top and move down. Are we seeing any movement? Let me check. The quick start has gone the wrong way. Need to get out of it. I'm going to have some slippage here. So I just lost 2, but I'm up 12. Look at RGC run, $24 up. PM, you're the man, baby. Keep watching, and we've got our first red candle on RGC. It looks like it's falling now. You know what I'm going to do? I need to take profits now. That was a big position that I had, and I'll bank I'm up 430. RGC, take the profits. Did I not take profits there? Come on. Take the GTS while we're looking. That has, and it looks like DPW is going the wrong way. I'm not going to lose more money. I'm up 570 for the session. Feeling good. RGC. I hope it continues to pump. We had a $24 bid, but the slippage as it was falling, we got $14, but we're positive now, up $5 for the session. Little beer and pizza money. That's all we're looking for here, people. That's all we're looking for. GTS looks like it is. It's still grinding though. I'm not gonna say it's not a grinder. Now CIO may do something here. No, it was turned down to any intraday high. 9 times out of 10, they will do that. So, looking at Bitcoin today, just really quick, guys. Oh wait, look at in Napa got turned back as well. At the tower, looking at Bitcoin today, clearly. It has formed the base support is 40K. At that point, I've got buys in at 36 and 38, just waiting if it's going to slip. If it does, if it even goes past 36, 38, it will fall to 30,000. Now, if it can hold, it needs to hold 42 tonight. It really does for it to still technically be in a bull market. To let you guys know, that's where that sits. If you here's a couple price targets for crypto as well. As I still move through here, Fulcrum is grinding real quick, and BYSY is grinding as well. If you guys look at BGI grinding up 5%, was negative for the day, now up almost 5%. Great to see that. We have GTS grinding. All right. Cosmos or ATOM, as people know it, you got to get long at 31. I believe it's above that price now, but 31 I'd stay long. Algorand or ALGO, you got to get long at $1.81. $1.81. I believe it's squatting on that about right now. It's right around there last time I checked it. AVAX, that's Avalanche. AVAX, you got to get long. I got getting long per the TA at $65. Pulled per the TA and the Fibonacci extensions. You got to get long at 65. I believe it's above that now. Last time, look at RGC. It looks, well, it's done a little bit of it's not a pullback. It's just a pivot right now. So watch your RGC holdings. I did get out. Let me look at UFAB. UFAB is directionally sideways. I'm going to jump out of that one, protect some profits. We're still up 540, and this has already started out better than yesterday, because I think by this time yesterday, wasn't that down like $20? So, and we found a last minute rocket. VRDN is trying to grind up. It's still negative today, just so you guys know. Napa, what is Napa going to do here? It did the same. It's trying. Did not clear the tower. Let me move to here fairly quick. What was that big grinder? KAVL. We've already tried that one, and it's turned back directionally sideways now. GTS, we've seen it before. So AVAX, get long at 65. ALGO, get long at $1.81, stay long. And then ATOM in crypto, which is Cosmos. You want to stay long above 31, right? Look at PRFX. We're going to watch that one. That one has got a morning wood, but it's negative, and I cannot jump on that yet. And then finally, Elrond, EGLD at 223 is where you want to get long. It's squatting on that right about now. At 223, that's where you get long per the TA in crypto. Just letting you know. Now, here's let's go back to the rockets on the screen here, guys. Neuro. What do you call that move? Hell of a rocket, cleared the tower. It did, from when this rocket started, 1%. It did 6% in 25 minutes, and that's what you like to see. That's the best you can see. But that was prior to the YOLO hour. So let's continue to chase here. GTS is still hard grind up. We jumped out. Maybe we should have stayed in. APRE has done the pullback, the pivot and the pullback. We never really got into that one because we saw the pivot. WTI, by the way, as I tell you guys the last 3 days, oil came back down to earth a little bit today, but I'm still long. Crude, I think crude will be above $1, maybe even a dollar, $100 or 125. I put a call option in on USO, and I expect that to do well. I put a call in there for January, so I paid a pretty penny for that. I think it was $150, whatever, and it was just for one contract. I will continue to add to that today, probably tonight. Look at SNPX wants to rock it, but has not cleared the tower yet. That is one that we'll be watching for sure. FAMI. Oh, look at this sucker, man. Sorry, I keep calling it FAMI. It's Farmy, guys. Look at this. Was negative, pumped here. What was that pump? At 215, we did miss the pump. 215, in 10 minutes, it went 24%. That's all. And that is what penny stocks do. That's why a lot of people play the pennies for the bennies. As you all know, we've seen this on this channel many, many times. What I have found with penny stocks is that the pump doesn't last a long time. Like, it'll pump very, very quickly, and then it sells off, right? Because it's clearly a lot of those pennies, I'm not saying all, but 95% of them are pump and dumps, right? Especially when you go public, at 3 cents or whatever. So, I mean, at that point, you might as well just stay a private company, put that into your Roth IRA, then let it go public at 24 and be like Peter Thiel, and now you're $6 billion and not even taxed. WWR, let's go. Look, water resources, boom, let's go. WWR, we're on it. WWR, that one looked like, I'm going big on this one, bro. Give me the buy, boom. WWR, let's see what kind of fill we get here. Good PM, all over it again today, nice. James, where you at, brother? James, Mercy, are you on here? You usually are. Joseph said that he was going to join. I haven't seen him yet. At least he hadn't said anything. He's probably just listening in. That's what he does. He's probably in the car listening in on his phone trying to find some rockets. I've got on the Telegram channel, it looks like, I don't know, we're directly sideways. We're all green. So it's good to see. It is a mixed day. Growth stocks, again, you can see how the Dow is up versus the NASDAQ. That is the transference from the growth to the value stocks, right? The value stocks right now, the good plays right now are the financials and the energy stocks. That is where you want to play as of right now. Okay? Gonna let you know that now. That's why CEI is going, yo, I knew you were here. Joseph is in the house. That is why CEI is going crazy, because it is a energy stock. It's also a penny stock. GTS is completely pulled back. Are we even in that? I just got a feel on WWR, and it's not a good fill. I don't think it's got me even, but I've got a red candle. I'm not on the 2 minute, and it looks like I'm gonna take profits from GTS. It looks like it's pivoted. I'm gonna take it. I'm up 510. I'll take my 510 right now, because far better than where I was yesterday. Look at AEII is clear the top. We got to go with it. AEYE. Gonna take it. I'm not real confident in it because we've seen it pump before and it hasn't really done us. It does a lot of people like to take profit in that stock. WWR has pulled. It has a red candle on the 2 minute. I'm down 50 cents. Hate to be down, but maybe AEYE. I don't know how else we're saying. Joseph, you trying not? Oh, was CI halted again? Damn. Was it halted because it was coming down or going up? Coming down. Wow. And it doesn't say halted. So Robinhood has not halted that. RNW. We're on RNW. R&W. Oh, we missed it. It's done the pivot and the pullback, but I want to capture that one. Keep it on the stock list. Also want to go back to, I can't believe that I wouldn't have, yeah, I've got CEI in here. Look at this thing, 46% up, and this just takes a dump. What is going on in that stock? That, again, energy stocks, which were up this morning, and they are down in the afternoon. Again, the energy is a safe play right now with financials. That's again not financial advice, but that's also what Bloomberg is saying, and CNBC, and all those boys, right? It was halted on the way up. Wow. So somebody, that's crazy. So that's a huge fight. Then that's a lot of FOMO. There's a lot of FOMO in CEI because CEI was so of the stock gurus that I follow. And there's about 5 or 6 of them. Most of them are just complete bullshit. But I will say this, is that a lot of them have been saying CEI. A lot are saying RGS right now. A lot are saying ENVB. But here's the thing with the ENVB. They were saying that a month ago. You know how much money I lost in just trying out their methods of ENVB? I probably went down 40%. And that's not going to happen. The rule is I don't take more than a 5% loss, period. Speaking of that, AI is still grinding. We will continue to stick with it. WWR is got me going the wrong way, and I'm heavy in that. So I cannot take that. Yeah, damn it. That's not a good one. All right. We're up 295. I'm losing ground, guys. Find me some rockets. We're going to stick with AI for now. It's so hard to pronounce. How else would you say it? AEYE? AI. Look at one. We saw it yesterday, and it's up. Let's go. ONE1. Is that the semiconductor? I think we're late, so I'm going to go 10 shares there. Look at the morning wood on that bad boy. Big green candle, second green candle, and then we've got another green candle with a wick down, and it's still moving directionally up. Can I get a fill, please? ONE, can I get a fill? Give me the damn fill. So it is moving, guys. True penny stock. This is the Chinese stock, which if you've been on here, you know I'm not a fan of China stocks, especially long term. To me, they're uninvestable right now. But we're not investing. What we are doing is YOLO trades. No due diligence. We're just trying to jump the FOMO. That's all we're doing. So let's just continue to do what we do, and that is just ride the rocket. So I'll continue to look at that one because that one looks like it is moving. I want to check on that. Look at that thing. 3 big green candles. I'm only up 3 cents. Now I took 10 shares. Should have gone bigger, but don't we always say that when prices go up? We do, and you should have taken less when price action moves down. So look at live, still stuck at 2%, but got that morning wood. ONE, so we need 1 to go to. It's dropping. It's pulling. It's not pulling back. There's 6. Oh, it just went to 7. Go to 8. Nice. We got to get a pretty good fill. You know what? I may double down on that one if it's still. If we can get a 4th green candle, and we did not, I was going to double down on that son of a gun. Oh, wait. I'm on the wrong one. Sorry. We're in 1 here. 1 is it going to pivot here? Come on. What are you going to do? I'm on the 2 minute. You give me the 1 minute. We've got the 1 minute's got the red candles with the wick down, the wick up. All right. Looks like the bulls might be back in control here. I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. Let's chase. We see anything else? Who caught that one? Was that PM? Was that you? No. Pico, guys, grinding up has gone positive. It's a hard grind though. It's only up 2%. Again, a lot of red today. BLCT, love to hear it. BLCT, Blue City, never even heard of this one. It has done the pivot and the pullback. Let me look what kind of it doesn't have the volume, but there it goes. BLCT, boom, jump it. BLCT. The bulls are winning that little match. I want to jump on that. Doesn't have a lot of volume, so I'm not going to jump in with both feet, but I did go with 10 shares on that one. It looks like it's still moving. Let's add it to the list as well. Great call on that one. PM. Where you and Mercy have called out the most rockets literally in the past 2 weeks, and Mercy's not even here today. He's probably working. So we're moving through here fairly quickly. Good call on BLCT. They all don't work out, but you got to do what you got to do. I mean, if you see one, we got to jump it. So CEI is grinded back up, went negative again. Now it's grinded back up to it's up 5%, and this thing is moving. 4.6, 4.9, 4.6, 4.9, 4.8. I mean, CEI is wanting to. Oh, look at this one. BLCT. Gotta love it. Gotta love the BLCT. Should I add? Maybe I add more. Let's go. I'm gonna add a little more here. I'm up 3. I'm up 2. What's the 1 minute show? 1 minute's got the green candle. It's got the wick up there. Come on, bulls, jump in there. Come on, jump in with us. We're up 216. Let me look at one real quick. One's got another. Ooh, I could have been disastrous right there. BLCT added to it. We're at 4. Nice add there. AI is not doing it for me. I want to jump out of that one. Don't want to take the risk there. Keep my eye on BLCT, guys. BLCT's fighting here. Come on. I don't want to jump off. What's the 1 minute? It's got a red candle to 2, or it's the start of a down wick, which is not good. This might not go much higher. I may take my 268, and it is fighting hard. Wow. Mercy, just off work, brother. Good to see you, man. Ah, damn it. Come on, one. Come on. BLCT. We're watching BLCT as we speak. I'm going to jump off of it. You guys tell me if it continues with the green candle, because I'm going to need that. I'm 20 shares deep in that bad boy, so may need some help on that one. Continue to move through here. We're seeing directionally up on the red stocks, but again, they are red. It's a very mixed day. NM may turn into a rocket, as we've been saying since the start of this thing. We are 40 minutes into the session and having a hell of a time today, guys. This has been fun. Loving it. Pico grinding it. Man, Pico's grinded this whole week for us. I forget what that stock is, though. PECO. Trill is just falling off a cliff. If you're long there, you might want to go look. PRTS, could it clear the tower? I'm not sure, but it's done it before. As I move through here fairly quickly, so I can get back. Oh, what was that one? Nope. Look, what just turned over? USWS just turned over hard. APO is grinding. That could turn into a rocket as well. Let me go back to Webull real quick. I'm only up 1. I've got a red candle that I don't like to see. Let me get out of that stock. I'm up $4 now. Let me look at one. I'm going to jump out of it as well. I'm not liking what I'm seeing there, and I'm overweight there. All right, I am cleared right now. We've got 20 minutes in the session to go. Let's find some more. SNPX, I guess we missed the rocket, but it didn't go far. It's on the pivot and the pullback. We missed it. Look, there's a lot of towards the FDMT just fell off a cliff, and it's already negative as is. Just landing here. What a day long CI. Yes, we were talking about CI. Just a hell of a day for up 36%, almost 40%, and then just falls off a cliff, and now it's back up 4%. So it's just nuts. It's been halted 3 times a day, at least 3 times that I know of. One was because it was falling so far so fast. So I think it fell. Look at the rockets. Here's BLCT. Did I jump out too soon? Let me look. it's still, gosh dang, maybe I did. Let me look at this chart real quick, guys. Oh, this is a big fight. I'm going to jump in one other. I'm up a little bit here. No, damn it. I just got a red candle. Damn it. What's the 1 minute say? It is done the pullback and the pivot. As soon as I fill, I will jump out. Well, it's fighting. We'll see. BLCT, we're at the bottom anyway. Let's go jump back to the top. Let's see what we're seeing. Crude futures were down to 73. 73.79 is what they finished the day at. KAVL is still grinding. We jumped in this one as it did a little rocket right here, but it's a grinder now. Has just so low volume. Just it's hard to fathom. 8,000 shares a day is all. So getting some long wick candles on BLCT. That's good because I took a damn position. I'm down $1 on 10 shares. So BLC is PM saying VIST? I've heard of that one. Oh, it's an oil and gas stock. You know what, bro? You might have something here. That's the start of a rocket. I love it. VIST. Let's take a little position in that one. Do a little buy. I may go heavy there because I think we're just starting the rocket. And it is an energy stock. Now, here's the deal. Doesn't have a lot of volume, though, is what I'm looking at here. Let me look. Well, it does. It does. On Webull, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it's got some candles coming. Now, if it can clear right here, if it can clear the 502 wick, look out. Come on. Give it to us. What's the 1 minute saying? One minute stuck there, too. It's got volume, so the volume can get behind it. It's a 502. It's got to clear that 502 wick. We say clear the tower. It looks like to us on Robinhood it has, but the wick is still there. So we'll continue to monitor that one. Move through here. It's 2:42 or 3:42 Eastern time. Let's continue to move through here. If you're playing at home, we're up $5. We were down about 14 about this time yesterday. The day before that, we were up 20. Live is still straight up. One is it's pivoted, but it hasn't pulled back hard yet. I just couldn't take it. Look at NM. I'm telling y'all, it's going to go in a rocket. Watch that last 10 minutes. DPW. Yeah, we took a position in DPW, and it may turn again. So I'm not opposed to another position. Again, wash sale rules be damned. It did go sideways, and that's wanting to pull some. BLCT guys getting down wicks now. I got to jump out. I got to protect some profits. I'm only up about $4, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right, let's continue. Let me get down here to the bottom. Looks like MIRM had a pump today. Looks like a 4 or 5% pump, and then boom. Just so y'all know, so as you guys are all on here, the picks for yesterday, let me go through them real quick. LPTX got up 6%, sold up. It was up 6%, though, and that was a climb. It didn't just go pre-market 6%. Boom. So there's that one. BKI, still grinding. Last time I looked, it was at 4%. And AXDX, up 8%. It was sitting on the 8% last time I checked. So we had some very good calls yesterday as well. That's about, I want to say that's 5 sessions in a row that we've been almost 3 for 3. So just so you guys know, I'm not trying to brag here. By the way, we hit the like button so I can get some more people in here. I hate to say it. Oh, NVFY, guys. Let's go. Did we have a volume problem with this one? NVFY. I'm typing with one hand. It sucks. Bye. Going to go 10 there because I think we've already missed a little bit of the pump. Let's see what we got. Vista is just sitting still. I don't know if it's probably the volume issue, and it just went down 1. What's Vista got? Yeah, that's a horrible candle. Got to close out. PM, I missed SLA. Let me look at what is it? SALM. I missed that one. Salem. I might be glad that I missed that one. That one would turn down quick. Vista, I'm down $1. Don't like to see that. What is Vista doing? I jumped out of that one. So hopefully Nova Livestock can rocket up here back to, if we're seeing anything else, love the AXDX, which is what AXDX is what we called yesterday. It is not on a rocket, is it? But look at that, boys. Went up 8% and protecting the profits. That was a call from yesterday that we saw. We saw 2 insider size up on AXDX. Called it. Boom. You get 8%. And that's not 8% from pre-market. That is a grind. That was a quick grind up from when it opened up. So just to let you guys know. In fact, BKI was down 2% at open. And went up 4%. It could be up more now, or it could have sold out. I haven't seen it yet. Yes, we are seeing a lot of, I wouldn't say directionally like turning over sell-offs. I just think that the red stocks are just staying red. You know, very few are really want to bust out. So I hate to say sell-offs in the negative stocks, but they're not going. They're just not pulling back to positive. At least that's not what I'm seeing, though. Again, we're seeing the transition from growth to value. And again, if you're going to the value stocks, the best ones right now, per the experts, not financial advice, financials and energy. Insider just bought $7.99 worth of AXDX. Another one, PM, nice. That is, so we called AXDX. Now, I took 6% and got out this morning. So, and I also got tipped from one of my boys, tipped me over on the channel. If y'all haven't joined, it was Steven, tipped me $10. He got on AXDX as well and got his 7%. Got a little $10 tip today. Thank you very much, Steven. He does not play the YOLO Hour with us. I wish he would, but he has a RV park that he's building out. So it's nice to see AXDX continue to grind up. Love to see it. I'm going to back up here real quick. I thought I saw something that was moving. PRFX is trying to get positive today. We did see one is pulled back live. This is just, it's been stuck at 2% the entire time. EM, it's possible, could be an EM. Smart Share Global. Oh, bro, that's a good one. EM, it looks like it's parabolic to me. Buy, I'll take. Oh yeah, it's got 3 nice candles. Now it's pulling back some now. That's okay. Let's see if the bulls can win here. The bears are. That's a good stock, man. Nova's kind of kicking my ass right now, though, with the low volume. I'm not sure what I'm going to do here. I'm on the 3-minute. Yeah, it's bad. That's bad. Got to jump out. Bears are winning that one, and I am still under $5. EM is a good one. I need to add that to my list as well. Boom. Nice call, Mercy. Always a pleasure to have you on here, sir. You and PM are killing it today. Yeah, just so you know, you've got some competition in PM. PM seems to like the YOLO, and he's called out probably 5 tickers today, maybe even 6. So, and 3 of them are very good. In fact, our best one, which was the BLCT. Was that BLCT or was that James? No, that was PM. Good job, boys. Let's keep it going here. Moving down the stack. Again, most of these are micro, small, and mid caps, guys. Just trying to find. We have about 11 minutes left in the session. Hard to believe it, but it's been a fun one. You know what? That's the most fun $3 I may have ever won if I can continue to hold it. So DPW looks like it's now a grinder, up 3%, trying to get to 4 before the session ends. That's where that is at. Keep it moving. APO. By the way, if you guys didn't know, I told you this yesterday. We are live on the TikTok. What's up, guys, on TikTok? EMA. Some guy saying EMA. Let's look. I can't see the TikTok, so it's tough. EMA. I cannot find EMA. It must be EEM, EMB. I can't find EMA. Is the Fed budget hampering RCAT? It could be, but I don't. Well, the Fed budget is hampering everything. NRT. Okay, NRT. There we go. Now this is a royalty trust. This is not gonna rock it at all. But just so you know, that's not a bad. Yeah, it's not even supported here. But and there's a reason why I believe that that's a master LP, a master limited partnership. The RCAT. Look, if the Dems do let this, if they keep the debt ceiling in place, we got to shut the government down. Here's the deal: it will look bad for the first 2 or 3 days, right? And then stocks will start to recover. They just got to digest. There is something in the stock world called, or in the equities world called digestion. When you have a big, strong move up, right? I'm not talking about meme stocks per se, but when you have a strong move up, sometimes most of the time that stock has to digest that move, and it'll sit there for a couple of days and maybe move sideways. That's been what the IWM or the Russell has done. All right, we're looking at BWin, Broadwin. We've traded them before. Add them. It's cleared positive. Woo, that's a good one. It's got to go. So how far has that moved? Down 6, and now that thing has really moved. In 7 minutes, it's moved 5%. Keep an eye on that one. We are long. We're still green on these. We're grinding up. Broadwin, I added to it. So PM, if that moves, let me know, and I'll jump in with you, bro. I got no problem with that one. Any more on the? I don't even know how many people we got live here. I think we got 74 on the TikTok, boys. So say hello when I move it. See, there's the YouTube guys. Move it right back to the stock and to the Robinhood. Let's chase them. Hey, we got to chase some rocks. We got 7 minutes in the session here. This is where we begin to look at what stocks are we going to keep overnight. But here's the thing. You all know that I hate overnight risk. I took some last night. It would have paid off. NM. Did I tell you it's going to be a rocket? And we probably just missed it. It looks like it's turned. The volume is there. I'm going to say it's going to turn because I've been saying it all. NM. We'll jump on it just real quick. I think we did this one on Monday. Just take 10 and just see what it does. The NM. It's got its nice little grind up. You see there the 3 minute. It's got some nice green candles. The 1 minute. It's got one small red with the wick is down though. So we're going to hold on to NM. It's been grinding the whole time. I should have jumped in that one. It was grinding hard. PM, what is BWin doing? I need to know. BWEN. Did he get turned back again? Yep, he got turned back. So that's what you'll see. One, it was fighting. Broadwin was fighting the intraday high, and it was fighting to go positive. And both those fights typically are losing fights. That's just from experience. What was that one? T-Tech. No. Oh, look at that one. ELVT directionally negative now, or bearish, because it has turned over. And as we get through here, oh my gosh, EDU is falling off the map, off a cliff. CEI is now up 3%. Looks like it's trying to grind to stay positive. I would bet that CEI goes big tomorrow. Well, I hadn't looked at it, but I would bet that it's gonna. I think a lot of that sell-off was because of the crude sell-off, and the natural gas, I believe, sold off a little bit today. Not a lot, guys, but just enough to cause equity prices to sell off quicker. One, because CI is a true penny stock. Next, we're still, what was that one? BRYN is selling off. EBSB grinding up. It's a slow grind though. We got Apple selling off. Wow, it sold off twice today. Continue to move here, move through here. Surf is grinding up, looking like it's turning over as the session ends. I'm trying to find one that's like really grinding up to keep overnight, and I'm not seeing. All right, there's DPW, and it's been doing its thing. Are we still in that? All right, EM has gone the wrong way. I've got to get out of that one to protect profits. Gosh, I'm gonna make a buck today. What's up, NM? Why? I got a bad fill there. DPW still grinding. We'll hold on that one. What else you guys seeing? PALLI, which we were in. It's up 15%. It looks like it's still grinding. I don't think it's PALI might be one you want to hold for tomorrow. RNW is what PM is telling me. Let's go. Wow, this is a late in the day one, but let's see what we can get. Let's go big here. 50 shares, boom. Let's see if we can get a good fill. The NM is just going sideways. Might as well just sell alpha that one. I need my fill in RNW. Oh, it's going parabolic. It's got that morning green wood. You like to see it. It's at 305. It's hell helping me out. DPW grinding is hell helping me out. Hopefully that thing doesn't pull back and sell off in the next 3 minutes. There's got to be a reason that RNW is going parabolic. At the end of the day, we've got 3 minutes, like I said. What stock? Hey, tell me on the channel what stocks you guys are keeping overnight. Let me know because I have no idea what I'm keeping. RGP looks like it's wanting to grind. NM could be a keeper overnight. Just saying. CMG selling off. Steps selling off. GBDC selling off. That means Bitcoin's down. Forecast for tomorrow, man. I would be remiss to tell you. You'd have to tell me what the 10 years at. You'd have to. Hey, RBOT is directionally bullish. Just went back positive hard. Up 1%. RBOT is. I'm not saying it's a good stock, but we've seen it do this before. Let's get down here to the bottom. See if we see anything. We've got 2 minutes left in the session. Been a hell of a time today. Loved it. If you didn't get here sooner, you've been missing out. AVDL. I think we're too late, but this one. Oh, is that one? Hey, that may be one you want to keep. Do you have any information on AVDL, PM? I'd like to know. Let me see what I'm doing here. Oh my God, I just got killed. I got fucking hammered on RNW. I'm down 9. I'll probably down more. Dang it. That's what happens when you take a 50 share risk with 2 minutes left. Damn it. That's going to happen. So did anybody make money today? Won't you guys flex for me and I'll call you out. Because is Joseph, are you still here? Did you make your the record is Joseph. $450 he once made in a YOLO hour, back when it was called Power Hour. But now we call it YOLO, as you all know. But he made $450. The most I've ever made is $55. So PM's going to hold RNW. That's probably not a bad play, actually. Anik is the forecast. I just don't know. Joseph, been a bad day. Well, it's an overall. Whoa! Look at the sell-off. Look at the NASDAQ sell-off. Holy moly! That is not what you want to see. I wish I looked at that earlier. That is a bad. Okay, if I'm looking at this, boys, I'm telling you, tomorrow could get real ugly. This tells me that people are trying to put as much money in their pocket as they can because they're scared for overnight risk. Just letting you know as the session ends. So that is a very bad. I mean, that is 3 big candles on every indice, and that is bad. We have, let me look at on the channel, or did we say, even LPTX did not finish up. AXDX did finish up 5-6%. BKI finished up 4%. Plug is down. Spire is down 15%. RGS, which the gurus all said is down 3%. What did I end the session with? DPW. I'll sell out. I ended down freaking $10. I was trying to protect the 5. So I am down for the week $4. Down for the week $4. What else is going on? Retired Corpseman, what is up? Not sure what you mean by 25.7. Oh, $25. Nice, brother. Good. Hey, it's always a good day. Hey, $25 will buy you a 12-pack and a pizza. So that's what we're here for, right? It's not financial advice. We don't do research on the individual stocks. We just jump on the YOLOs. So any last thoughts, guys? I'm about to head out. I've got a meeting at 4 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock my time. Mercy, glad to see you. I know you just got off work. I love when you jump on here, so thank you very much. PM, you did a hell of a job today, bro. Good job. Thank you so much with the, I want to say 7 or 8 rockets. I wish they had lasted. So thank you, PM. Thank you, Anik. Thank you, James Hill. Thank you, Walker. Good to see you. Walker didn't say a lot today. Wonder what's up. Maybe you're licking your wounds over CEI, but CEI ended up, what did CEI end up today? Because it had a wild mofo ride today. Camber Energy ended up 5%, and after hours it's down, so it is dropping now as we speak. It had hella volume today, so PM, watch RGC, and thanks again. Hey man, thank all you guys again. Thank you, Walker. Thank you, James Hill. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you, PM. Thank you guys on TikTok. If you stuck with us, you had a hell of a time. It's been a great, well, I wouldn't say it was a great day, but it as far as making some money, which we always want to do. But you know what? It was like, I mean, it's like Vegas. It's fun. So, again, thank you to all the guys on the channel. Really appreciate you guys. We'll see you here same time, same place for the YOLO Hour tomorrow. Tomorrow we got Thursday. Thursday's typically one of your better days. Joseph was saying CI could come up strong tomorrow. I think it might. A lot of people are in that stock. And here's the thing about CEI, just so you guys know. 1, energy play. 2, a lot of bears are stuck. Now, the bears got relief today on this huge sell-off, if you're looking at the screen still. So I still think there's a lot of bears in it because look at what this thing has done in a month. In a month, it's up 500%. That is rare. Very rare, even for meme stocks, right? And for the 90 days, it's up. Yeah, so for the month, it's up better. Look at that. That's just an incredible climb that started on the September 22nd. It was up 200. It's gone in a month. It's gone 349. So with that being said, guys, we appreciate you again. Same time, same place tomorrow. Join us. Please hit the like button. Please leave me a comment if you like this. If there's any way that I can improve this, would love to do it. Let me know. With that being said, guys, watch your 6. You go hard in the paint, and we will see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys. You're awesome.